Hey everyone, my name is Andre Pittman. I'm in Kines 205, Section 1, and we're going to be working out of Google Draw today. So first, we're going to go up here, give it a name, a title. I'll call this job. And basically this is kind of the job I'm looking forward to coming straight out of college. I work with the UL Athletics Department already. I'm working within this department actually, fan experience and sales associate. I'm the lead intern, so I kind of got a good idea of the job description here. So I'm going to go down to Scribble so we can highlight the position title. Just circle that. And then also going to come to the location of it, which is the University of Louisiana, right here in Lafayette. Circle this as well. All right, and then, they got here the qualifications. A lot of things that I covered, and also a year of experience, which I've also gotten down with my internship. They don't have this specific salary for it yet, but so that's all.